Hey our friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Angel from Lilo and Stitch, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started. Her head's going to be tilted up towards the left. So we're going to curve this line across for the top of the nose. We're going to come through underneath, replicating that, arching that in the opposite direction. For the nostrils, let's curve that down on the left and right hand side. Let's come over for the eye. We're going to curve this up, down, tucking that out. Let's come underneath now. So we're going to tuck this up, down, and then back in the corner. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's color those in black. Let's frame in the face now. So coming up, we're going to round this out, curving this down, tucking that in on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to extend this in on the left, and then we're going to arch this around for the shoulder, tucking that down. Let's continue to close this off underneath, connecting that together, and then let's just round this out on the very top. Let's round out around the eyes now. So on the side, we're going to curve this up and out on the left. We'll do the same on the right. Let's come through underneath again now, curving this out to the side of the head. Let's come underneath for Angel's mouth. So we're going to draw a small straight line in the middle. We're going to curve this out on both sides. And then directly underneath, just drawing in a small curved line. Let's come down. We're going to curve this in to the bottom. Let's focus on this left arm first. So we're going to continue to extend that through. We'll round that out up above, curving that over. For the thumb, we're going to tuck this around and in. For that first finger, let's draw on an oval, curving that down. In the center, let's replicate that, tucking that in. We'll do the exact same thing as we move across one last time. And now let's draw in a curved line on the thumb, and we'll do the exact same in the center and on the left. Let's draw the antenna she's holding now. So coming up above the head, we're going to arch this up. We're going to tuck this down. We're going to bring this in towards the face, and then we're going to continue to leave a gap as we connect that to the hand. Let's continue to extend this underneath, curving this up, around, and then in on the top. Now from here, let's imagine that this comes through, curving this around, out, and then we're just going to pull that back down. Let's curve this on the left and right hand side. Let's continue to close off the hand underneath, arching that in. Let's round out that elbow, curving that up. Let's continue to close off the side of the body here. So we're going to curve this down, around, and in. Leaving a small gap here, we're going to curve this over and out. Now from here, we can join this line together, curving this down. Let's come behind for the foot. We're going to arch this around and up. In the center, replicating that. Let's move across again one more time, curving that through. Let's move across, drawing into 3 curved lines as we come over. Let's draw on the ear. So coming behind the head, we're going to arch that out. And then we're going to curve this around, tucking that into the side of the body. Let's arch this down from the top, connecting that to the back. Let's move across here. So we're going to curve this out on the right, stepping under, arching that through. Now from here on the side, we're going to curve this in, out, and then back through towards the chin. Let's round out the leg, pulling that over and in. Let's close off the foot. So we're going to arch this in towards the left foot now, dragging that back, moving in towards the center, replicating that. And then again, one last time, curving that through. Let's draw in 3 curved lines now. Right in the center here, we're going to draw in a curved line. We'll arch that out further up on both sides. Now from here underneath, drawing in a nice big arch line. To the left, curving that out and in, and we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's come across. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this down, over, and out. Moving underneath, replicating that, curving that up. Now for the thumb, we're going to curve this around and in. For that first finger, we're going to arch this around and down, stepping across, replicating that in the middle. And then we'll do that again one last time. Again, like we did on the left-hand side for the thumb, curving that across, and then we'll do the exact same for the last two. Let's draw the antenna she's holding, stepping up, curving this out, down, tucking that in towards the face this time. We'll extend this through underneath. And then again, we'll just extend this underneath the hand, curving that around, down, and then back in. Let's continue to close this off. So we're going to come up. We're going to curve this out, around, down, connecting that to the top of the head. Now let's move across. We're going to curve that over. Moving down. Let's replicate that, arching that through. Underneath for the palm of the hand, curving that back up. We'll close off the ear behind here. So we're going to curve that up towards the right. And then now from here, we're just going to arch this back, down, and in. And then we'll curve this line across. And then to frame in the center of the ear, we're just going to curve this out on the right. And then we're just going to curve a small line that comes down on the left. And that is it. That's how you draw Angel from Lilo and Stitch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.